Hey guys and welcome. In this video I'm showing you how to connect Lovable to n8n. So from the first step, click on the plus, and in here in the search for nodes, type in webhook, choose this, and in the HTTP method choose post, and copy this link from here. Just press on it. And now navigate back to your Lovable. Okay, in Lovable, make sure to of course create the account, etc. and go into your project. And now guys, in your project, depending what you want to automate and what exactly in your page and your project you wish to basically connect and function alongside n8n and in n8n, you just need to choose it. So for example, for the purposes of this video, I will choose, let's say, the Explore Missions button, okay? This one right here. So you go to the edit mode and you choose the certain button, any button you wish, click on it. All right, and in here where it asks for quick changes, you just type in add webhook, 2 dots, and insert the link, and then just press on this arrow up or enter, like this. As you can see, and now the Lovable will be thinking and connecting to our n8n. Just wait a bit, and pretty much now whatever you do in n8n, the Lovable will also react, and as you can see, I'll add webhook functionality to the button with your new n8n endpoint. And now going back to here, as you can see, we have the listen to the latest event and stuff like that. And as you go back, now our webhook is connected and functioning, and you can now automate your Lovable. Enjoy guys, if this helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.